Well, it is our first Friday following daylight saving time. So hopefully, Marina, everybody's kind of back into the swing of sleeping when they're supposed to sleep and waking when they're supposed to. But you know, it's going to be a nice weekend, right?
Yes, it's tough because you wouldn't think an hour would make that much of a difference, but it really does. And I think we're finally starting to make that happen. But it's still weird getting up at 6:30 and it's pitch black, but that will slowly change. We are seeing clouds and a little bit of isolated showers and thunderstorms moving into the region as expected. So if you're out and about, just throw an umbrella in the back seat just in case. Best chance as we push into the next 60 minutes will be across the San Bernardino Mountains and the valley locations right underneath. So we can start to see a little bit of showers moving into Sierra Madre as well as Glendora, Rancho Cucamonga and Crestline. If you are above 5,000 feet, you'll pick up on an additional 3 to 5 inches of snowfall. We've got a decent amount that's rolling into our resort areas, which is going to be nice for some skiing this weekend. You can see some showers throughout Wrightwood. And then if you're traveling north on 15, just know the Antelope Valley is dealing with some light showers right now too. So a very dismal and gray outlook, very different from the coastline because the coastline is bright and sunny right now. And then as we can see here nicely, thank you guys, it is just a little bit of high level clouds that are strolling in there. So what a difference if you're inland or if you're across the coastline. But we will get to those clouds across our coastline as well. It'll just take a little bit longer to get there. So in downtown LA right now, we've got 68 degrees, lots of nice sunshine, wind at 0. It's so nice to see that, especially after yesterday. But we still do have some blustery locations with winds anywhere from about 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusting from Simi Valley all the way up into Santa Clarita. If you're traveling over the I-5 corridor today to get away for the weekend, just know it will be breezy there as well. Throughout the Antelope Valley, we're seeing winds at about 10 to 20, all the way down into San Bernardino and portions of the Inland Empire. The coastline also at about 10 to 15. And looking at the San Fernando Valley, as we move into the afternoon, we do have that chance for a few showers rolling in, especially in the early afternoon hours. And later on this evening, we could be dealing with some isolated thunderstorms. So just keep that in mind. So storm spins closer. That area of low pressure, that cold low that brought us all of that trouble yesterday, is inching a little closer, so we'll see a chance for some isolated showers with that. And it's a cold core low, so that's why it dropped our temperatures about 5 degrees from where we were yesterday. And there is the low, and as it lingers just to the south of us, it's just going to continue to wrap that moisture back into our area. So that's why the Inland Empire and Orange County have the best chance for those isolated storms, a little more instability, but it could move up into LA and Ventura County. But Ventura County, you folks probably will have the best chance at staying mainly dry as we move into the rest of the day today, just because of where that low is sitting. So 30% chance of some of those isolated storms as we progress into the day, but maybe a sprinkle mainly for our mountains and portions of the Inland Empire tomorrow. But then it's really Sunday. Gosh, St. Patrick's Day, luck of the Irish for us, 72 with lots of sunshine as we push 80 on both Monday and Tuesday. Amy?
All right, thanks so much.
KCAL News, more news than any other local station.
We're here when you want your news.
Here on KCAL at 9 and 10.
Then on CBS Los Angeles at 11.
KCAL News on CBS Los Angeles, tonight at 11.
CBS News Los Angeles, your local news, streaming wherever, whenever.